Hello, it's Bekah, and welcome to my little farmhouse on the northern plains of Iowa. I hope all is well. I'm in my kitchen and dining room and going to be cleaning in preparation for autumn decorating that will be here very soon. I can already hear the crickets chirping, which is a sign that summer is winding down and fall is on its way. I'll also be making dinner. If you'd like to join me, I'm making spicy roasted eggplant with feta cheese, rice, and a creamy cucumber salad. So as always, I'm so glad you're here with me today and glad you stopped by for a visit here at my home, the Carriage house. So I just finished making a simple homemade cleaner, just a little bit of vinegar, hot water, and several drops of pine essential oil. And this is a great overall purpose cleaner. The vinegar helps cut through grease, remove stains, and the pine oil helps with disinfecting and sanitizing, plus it smells really good too. But I am on the lookout for those autumn scented cleaners that should be showing up soon at stores in town. I already saw the Mrs. Meyer's fall hand soap collection at Walmart the other day. I didn't buy anything yet. I didn't see the fall cleaning sprays though. So let me know if you've seen them around and about. I also wanted to welcome you if you are new, and if you're coming back again, I do want to provide an update on my missing cat, Merlin. It's been almost 3 weeks now and no sign of him still. I know it breaks my heart. I've done everything, but I'm not gonna give up. I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing and hoping and praying that one day I'll see him again. So you and I just gotta count our blessings and keep on stepping. Okay, so let's go ahead and get some cleaning done in this soon to be autumn kitchen. Is in a pretty good position. I could not make the time right now to do a full-blown deep clean and declutter, which I need to do that very soon, maybe this winter. But let me know in the comments if you live in a place where you get lots of cold and snowy winters like me, or if you live in a much milder climate, because I almost feel like it's almost better to clean, declutter, and spring clean, so to speak, in wintertime, because when spring rolls around, I don't really want to be inside washing curtains and cleaning closets. I'd rather be outside focusing on maybe planting and sowing seeds in a little garden or hanging birdhouses around and about those sweet maple and wise old oak trees. But in this room last week, I did do a major declutter and these hedges and cabinets, washed the baseboards. It felt so good emotionally, physically, mentally. So right now, again, I'm just simply going through a good cleanup before those cozy and warm autumn time decorations come down from those closets. So let's go ahead and finish this room, and then we'll go ahead and make way to dinner time.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you every.
Now I'm making that delicious eggplant dish that I was telling you about. I'm going to do my best to post these recipes. I'm trying to get better about it. It's just been a bit challenging to me. So I basically just went out to my garden this weekend, see what needed to be harvested. I had cucumbers, I had eggplant and herbs, and just came up with my own weekly night recipe. So let's go ahead and finish what we started.